Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play the F7th chord on your piano or keyboard. First we locate the root note, the note F. Place your first finger here. The next note we need is the note A. Play this with your second finger. The next note we'll need is the note C. Play this with your third finger. And the last note, actually the 7th, is the note E flat. Play this with your fifth finger. So there you have it, the F7th chord. Now, because the F7th chord is in fact a 4-note chord, you can also have what's known as 4 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom of the chord, right? So to make the first inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, the F, all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. So this is the F7th chord, first inversion. To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord, the A, all the way to the top. Move your hand. So this is the second inversion of the chord. To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord, this time the note C, to the top of the chord. Move your hand. So this is the F7th chord, third inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the bottom note, this time the E flat, to the top of the chord, like this, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, just like the one we started with, only one octave higher. Okay? And of course you can go the other way, downwards on the piano, starting with the root inversion of the chord. This time move the top note, the E flat, to the bottom of the chord. Move your hand. This is the third inversion of the chord. Let's do it again. The top note, C, to the bottom. Move your hand. This is the F7th chord, second inversion. Let's do one more. Top note, A, to the bottom of the chord. Move your hand. This is the first inversion of the chord. And lastly, top note F to the bottom of the chord. Move your hand. And you'll be back home at the root inversion of the F7th chord. Right? Let's do it one more time a bit faster. Root inversion. First inversion. Second inversion, third inversion, and back at root inversion. And the other way, starting at the root inversion, top note to the bottom, third inversion, top note to the bottom, second inversion, top note to the bottom, first inversion, top note to the bottom, first inversion. Okay? Now I'm going to show you one more way you can do inversions of this chord. Instead of playing all 4 notes with your right hand, now I'm going to play the root note with my left hand, like this. And I'm only going to turn the top 3 notes around, invert the top 3 notes of the chord, okay? Keeping this note at the bottom. So I'm also going to change my fingering a bit to make it easier. So there you still have the root inversion of the chord. This time I play the root note with my left hand, okay? So to make an inversion, again I move the bottom note of the chord to the top, but I still play the root note with my left hand. Okay? One more inversion. Bottom note of the 3-note chord to the top, and again I play the root note with my left hand. Yes. One more inversion. Bottom note to the top and root note. So this is in fact the root inversion of the chord one more time. This is the same note as this one, right? Okay, let's go downwards on the piano. This time, top note to the bottom and the root note, like that. One more time, top note to the bottom, root note, like that. And the last time, top note to the bottom, root note. So to practice these inversions, simply do like this. So there you have it, the F7th chord. Please, before you go, like this video if you liked this lesson. I'm sure you did. And also subscribe to this channel to get more free piano lessons from me. Okay? Do it now. Help me out, guys. Thank you. See you around.
So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course, or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.